Well, Shirley, I just checked with both the union and management, and both sides are still talking. They're at the bargaining table at this hour, but the clock is ticking. No deal means that about 500 attorneys, paralegals, social workers, and other staff would go on strike starting at 8 in the morning.
They will keep bargaining to the last possible moment in order to try and avert a strike. But then
Brian
if they
Holbrook, a
feel
family
that we
attorney,
are
says
not
they don't want to strike and leave their clients to figure out the court dates, but it may be necessary to get a fair contract for the 500 people who work for the Brooklyn Defender Services.
if we want to attract the best talent, the people who are going to do the best job for our client, we need to make sure that we're offering an actually living wage, right? It's one that
Holbrook
doesn't,
says they've been without a
cause
contract
people
since
to
June.
have to
And while he believes the issue of salary can be resolved, the other sticking points are the length of probationary term of employment, sick time, and the use of an app for time cards that can also track employee locations.
It just demonstrates to us that management does not trust us.
A strike could mean thousands of people wouldn't have access to their usual public defenders, social workers, and staff for cases in Brooklyn and Queens criminal, family, and immigration courts. Holbrook says they've worked hard to get supervisors to handle the cases that cannot be postponed.
We're giving the supervisors everything that they need to be able to step into that court appearance and to represent the client fully. Just as, if, for example, an attorney was out unexpectedly due to illness or something like that.
The management team at Brooklyn Defender Services says BDS supervisors are prepared to handle the cases of the people we represent and to be available to New Yorkers who rely on our critical services. They added that they offered substantial raises in the first year, additional 3% in the following 2 years, step increases that were requested by the union, and to freeze or reduce the staff health benefit contributions.
And while that strike wouldn't start until 8 in the morning, the picket lines have already been set up with the locations and the times. They would start at 9:45 outside Brooklyn Family Court and 2 other locations.